beauties, and welcome back to Dominique's Vanity Corner. And today I want to show you these cute nails. Now, these aren't press-ons, but I guess you can consider them the Gel X nails. I've seen so many different names for them, so let's go ahead and get into it. So these nails are actually called X Pro Tips, and here they are. They came with the top coat, glue, some rhinestones, and these little tools. It also came with this curing lamp, which I love, but it broke, and I really wish it didn't break, and you'll see why in this video. So I'm just picking out the perfect nail size, sanding it down so it doesn't have that little tip on it, and then I'm also going to buff my nails. Now, this part is extremely important because you want to make sure that there's no oil so the glue and the fake nail and your real nail can stick. I'm using acetone right here, and you can see, literally see how it's dehydrating the nail. It's taking out all the moisture so it can be a easy and smooth application process, but it's not going to be as easy as I make it sound, and you'll see why. I'm applying nail glue, and this is where it got tricky. I've done this before, twice before, but for some reason I could not get the nails to stick. So I ended up doing my left hand off camera and I got the hang of it again. And I'm going to show you what I did and how I got it to actually stick. So I feel like I still use a lot of glue, but instead of just like laying it on top of the nail, I slid it under the glue. I don't know if that makes sense, but you can see how the glue raises up on the sides and it doesn't look that great, but it actually worked. This was the easiest way that I can do all my nails on this right hand. And this is where I wish the UV lamp worked because I don't know what happened. I only used it a couple of times. I do think it's cheap, but it will be so much easier to apply the nail, hold it down, and cure it at the same time. But I already had this OPI lamp, so I'm just going to make it do what it do and try to make the best of it since I have all this product, this nails. I want to use it. I still want my nails to be done. So we're going to just thug it out. And I'm repeating the process, still sliding that nail with the glue so it can stick. And I swear, you guys, it looks crazy, but it is working. And it made it so much faster. I have less air bubbles on my right hand than I have on my left hand. And then if you do get too much glue on your nail, you can clean it up on the sides so it doesn't cure under that lamp. And I have a bit of a little bit of the nail glue around my cuticles, and this soft buffer will get that off. And if you have any like hard nail glue, I forgot they did give me this cuticle pusher. I already had these nippers, and I'm just gonna push the nail glue like it's hard so I can push it off my skin and just clip it off. And before I apply the top coat, I'm using acetone. And this is the final step. The nails are pretty much done. And once you put the top coat on it, you really can't tell the air bubbles. Like, yeah, if you're close up on it, but who cares? You did your nails yourself and they look like they just came from the salon. And quite frankly, I went to the salon and she did my nails pretty similar. Of course, she had to polish it, not just with a clear coat, but it was pretty much the same. And if you do get, yeah, the nail polish on your cuticles, you can repeat the process like we did with the nail glue and just buff it off. Or if you are great with nail polish, just apply it precisely. And just a FYI, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to make the video, so I'm going to give you some cons here as well. I have wide fingernail beds, so if yours are wider than mine, you just may not want to get it. My thumbs are pretty fat, and this was the widest nail they had for me, and it barely fit. Like literally, it barely fit. Those are the hardest ones to actually stick on my nail. But other than that, I think they're average. You know, they're average size nails. Nothing too dramatic. And the length I got is medium, so they have small, medium, and long. And I did buy these nails on a TikTok shop, but they are available on Amazon.com too. So I will link that below. And if you have any tips or suggestions for me, please let me know. If you use this product or a similar product, please let us know. Let me know so we can talk about it. And I just thank you for watching this video if you made it here this long. And be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you again for watching.